how to fix Fanduel account suspended. So here on the official website, we can see how we can reactivate our account. If your account was closed, you believe you are suspended or you opted into self-exclusion, our customer support team will need to help you out. So basically what this is going to tell us to do is click on live chat at the bottom right of the screen to get answers from the agents. And please note that Fanduel reserves the right as sole discretion to impose a minimum deactivation period to any user's account. This means your reactivation may not be immediate. So basically what you have to do is go to support.fanduel.com here on the website that I'm at, and at the bottom right corner you see this person with the hat. We can just click on live chat, this option right here, bottom right corner like I said, and you are going to request a reactivation of your Fanduel account. Afterwards you will wait for their response and they'll tell you if you need to take any further steps on how you can reactivate your Fanduel account. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.